Alrighty guys, once again you're going to have to excuse my croaky voice. Loading the smoker, pretty straightforward. Got some pine needles here, so we're going to get a few of them in and get them lit. No, you're going to need a bit more. It's been a bit wet here in Melbourne, and I only collected these yesterday. I did have another bucket full of them somewhere, but I don't know where they've gone. So that's burning pretty well. I'll stuff a few more in. There we go. Chuck a few more in on the top. There we go. That's what we want. So it'll give us a nice cool smoke and it'll be ready to go.